Hey, I'm Nick Smelser. I'm the construction manager for Spartan Invest. I just wanted to take a brief moment to say that our work family here is second to none, and I love what I do each and every day. I did want to take a few minutes and spend a little time in telling you about our processes that we have in place that are geared toward delivering each home on time, under budget, and a quality residence that is fruitful for the investor as well as enjoyable for the tenant. So the most important part of the renovation process is to make sure that our evaluation assessment is accurate. So we have a couple processes in place to ensure that is the fact. The first is the home inspection. That's where we have a third-party inspector come out. They evaluate the property from the top of the rafter to the bottom of the foundation and everything in between. They evaluate the plumbing system, the HVAC, and the electrical to make sure there aren't any repairs that need to be included in the budget. So the second thing is the sewer and septic scope. That's where we run a camera down the main sewer drain to evaluate if there's any blockages or stoppages that we can't see from above ground. So each and every report that we get, I review, as well as the construction supervisor reviews on site to make sure that the budget we're setting up front is correct and it will be a successful renovation. All right, now that we've purchased the property, it moves into renovation. This is the point where the construction supervisor meets with the qualified contractor to review the property. They generate the scope of work based off that meeting, make sure they cover all the line items that are in the evaluation, and to make sure that the property is brought up to include the capital expenditure items. Some of the CapEx items that you should expect to see are a new roof, a new HVAC system, a new water heater, as well as upgrading the plumbing and electrical systems. Other finishes are, we always do granite countertops in the kitchen, do ceramic tile in the bathrooms, kitchen, and laundry, and we do luxury vinyl tile throughout the rest of the house. We always do a fresh coat of paint, as well as new plumbing and electrical fixtures. Once we have the renovation complete, we have two processes that are in place to make sure that we deliver a quality product. The first one is a post-inspection. That is where a third-party inspector reviews the property to make sure all our renovations are up to par. And we review those inspection reports and get any corrections made that may come up. The second is the internal quality checklist. So that is formed based off presentability, to make sure that it is marketable to tenants. It is based off safety, to make sure it's safe, like smoke detectors, egress windows, fall protection, as well as functionality. Things like the plumbing, the HVAC, and the electrical systems are all working. So once all the punch list items are complete, we get the house cleaned and we release it to Atlas to start signing leases.